this tutorial. It happens to be the very first tutorial we are taking in the course in this department, and we're starting with the course MAC132. With this being said, let's hop straight into it. So we have MAC132. So we'll be talking about advertisement, all right, and sales promotion. We'll be looking at two terminologies, all right, advertisement and sales promotion. Are we together? And okay. So we have advertisement and sales promotion. So we're going to be taking this one step at a time. We're going to take advertisement first. Let's see what it means by advertisement. All right. Look at some definition by certain scholars. All right. Scholars and institutions that define advertisement and what does advertisement really means. Okay. This we are going to be dissecting as we continue. All right. So let's take our bearing from what is called promotion. All right. Let's talk about promotion. All right. According to our material, we have promotion coming first. Now it is said to be, all right, promotion is said to be the coordination, all right, of all seller initiated efforts. All right. Coordination. Yes. Coordination of all right, all seller intended. All right, coordination of all seller intended efforts. Okay, to set up a channel of information. All right, set up a channel of information and persuasion. All right, we're heading somewhere. In order to what? Sell goods and services. Now, I deliberately, all right, did this, writing all points in different color, all right, of the marker, so that we can take our bearing from the points. All right. Now all this makes up the definition of promotion. Now let's take each point and dissect them properly. Now it says here, promotion is the coordination of all seller intended efforts, meaning that every effort, all right, every effort made by seller, okay, now every effort geared, all right, not just any kind of effort. Mr. Alfred, it's good to have you, although you came late. Every effort or any coordinated effort, not just any type of effort, all right, but coordinated type of effort, all right, by who? By a seller, all right, coordinated in the sense that the seller must have done some researching, all right, some observation, all right, some finding out, all right. So every intel pointed, all right, at the chance, all right, of success of promoting or making sales in a particular place. Now this seller now comes back and coordinates certain efforts, all right. So the first thing is what? The coordination of what? There is need, there is requirements, all right. It is in the place of the seller, all right, to coordinate, all right, intended efforts, particular efforts, all right, channel, geared, particular about what? Now, this effort is geared towards, there is a setting up, all right, there is a setting up. Please, if you're on the stream, all right, and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to use the subscribe button. It's below this video, all right. Smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And we are about 10 of us on this stream, and I can see just 2 likes. Please also do well to smash the like button. That is one of the ritual of the class. As you join, you say something, maybe good afternoon, or evening, whatever the time might be. And the next thing is to smash the like button, and you can then continue to take notes of the point as the class commences. All right. So now this coordinated and well-planned effort of a seller, all right, is to set up a channel of information, all right, and this information has a reason, all right. This information is expected to hit the nail on the head, all right. This channel of information is expected to convert, all right. Is expected to convert, is expected to yield, to bring returns, all right. That's why it was said from the onset that this effort must be coordinated, all right. The effort must be well planned, all right. It must happen as expected, all right, as drafted or as intended. Are we together? So set up the channel, and this channel will inform, or after informing, the information should be highly useful, that at the end of the information it persuades, all right. As we all know, probably you don't know, that most people buy not basically because of their life depends on whatever it is they are buying, but it's all about emotions, all right. And how do you get to touch the emotion? All right, you get to touch the emotion by either sight or by hearing, all right. So this information could be visual, all right. This information could be it could be from sound, all right. It could be from a visual sort of information, or from information that comes from listening or hearing of sounds. All right. So as this information persuades, all right, and the persuasion should lead to what we now call conversion. All right, to the seller, the sale, and to the directed individual. All right, we call them targeted audience. They buy. All right, set up a channel of information and persuasion in order, all right, to sell. All right, it's all about selling. All this will be useless if you are not making sales. It's all about selling, right? All this coordinated effort, setting up of channel and persuasion, information and persuasion is what? This is the end result. Sell. All right, and that's why we even have promotion, and that's why we even have advertisement, and that's why we have marketing. All right, sell. Some persons might say, well, our promotion is only about selling. It's about what do we call this thing? Gaining ground. All right, it's about brand. It's about gaining awareness. Please, if you gain awareness, what does it convert to? It's either it's either you want awareness for the sake of patronage. It's not even if it is always for the sake of patronage. And you might not be this type of company that sells goods and services, all right, but maybe you just want people to listen to whatever you are doing, or you want people to see, all right. You want to let people come towards what you are doing, people acknowledge, all right, and maybe probably at the end of it buy from what you are selling. So we have that as that. So we have here, it says here that some books are used, right? Some books use the term promotion to cover both advertisement and sales promotion. Now, in this sense, advertisement is what? Now we are done with promotion. Now let's take advertisement. Now we have advertising. Okay. When we say advertising, what are we talking about? We have a firm, all right, advertising. We have consumer, and we have offer. Okay, we have a firm, all right, we have a consumer, and we have an offer. Okay, no, I think there's one more. There's a firm. There's a firm. There's an offer. All right. There's an offer, and there's also something called medium. All right. Medium. Then we have consumer. All right. Consumers here. Now, let me explain this to us. Advertising. Who does advertise? who does advertisement or advertising. All right. Now, a firm, all right, a business, a firm, an organization, a company, an individual, all right, we do what we call advertising. All right. And what does it mean? All right. Here is a firm that sells, all right, that sells bags. Don't forget, like I said earlier on, the end result of either advertisement or promotion or whatever marketing is all about conversion, all right, making sales. Okay, now a firm that sells bag, all right, we think of an offer. Okay, probably if they sell their bag 100 naira, right, the offer may be 99.9 naira as against 100 naira. All right, 99.9 as against 100 naira. This is an offer. All right, think of what they can do or add to the usual thing they usually do, all right, to make it look better, make it look nice, all right, and different from what they used to do. All right, so now this firm has something to offer, all right, something to give, all right, and they think of choosing a media, a medium through which this offer can be communicated. All right, all right, they think of how can this offer be communicated. This is what we have planned here in our office at our headquarters, but we need our consumers to know of this wonderful opportunity. So how do we go about it? So they communicate, all right, all right, they communicate this offer using a medium. All right, they communicate this offer to the general public or to their customers or to the targeted audience using a medium. All right, and this medium is usually not for free. All right, it's not for free, it's paid. All right, because at this end is another organization. All right, and what this organization does is to ensure, all right, maybe out of a population, maybe this organization is in Nigeria, all right, maybe out of the population, maybe let's assume that the population is 20 million, all right, population. So now, out of the population, sample population, all right, they want to use 5 million. All right, now it also depends, all right, if this paid advertisement is on, it does, you know, we are talking about the medium, right, in which this company wants to communicate this opportunity to the public. All right, so if they choose to use, let's say for example, Facebook, all right, to communicate, maybe they've done their findings and they realize that majority of their consumers are on Facebook and they want to use Facebook to communicate this wonderful opportunity to their, all right, to their consumers. So they reach out to Facebook, all right. So Facebook does its own analysis, all right. In a population of 20 million in Nigeria, all right, 5 million we are targeting, all right. And according to the algorithm of Facebook, all right, it is certain that out of this 5 million, you can get 4 million. You can help you communicate to 4 million of them, because it is guaranteed that an average of 4 million visitors come to this platform. All right. So after concluding on all this one, so now you pay, all right, you pay this organization to help you communicate, all right, to your consumers. Now, do you see the progression? You pay them to help you communicate your offer to your consumers, and in turn, the communication is done and it converts and it pays off eventually. All right, it pays off eventually. Okay, and that is that on advertisement or advertising. So we have that as that. So according to the material, it says that is the communication all right, now let's use communicating a firms, all right, advertising is communicating a firm, all right, communicating a firm's offer, all right, to consumers through a what? Paid medium. All right, through a paid media. All right, time or space. All right. All right, through a paid media, time or space. Okay, communicating a firm's offer through a, all right, paid media, time or space. All right, this explains the whole process. So permit me to raise the board and let's take something else. Now we have sales promotion on the other hand. All right. Sales promotion, all right, is a program that makes a firm. This program makes a firm, all right, offer more attractive to buyers, all right, and requires buyer participation. All right. Now, the thing is just a slim difference. Here, it's all about awareness. All right. This is what we do. All right. Come get this at this particular price. All right. But sales promotion is particular, all right, about making that offer very what? Attractive. All right. All right, it's all about making a firm's offer attractive. Okay, attractive in the sense that we sell for plus get one free. All right, we sell for 91.9 plus, let me say, buy two and get one free, or buy our products, all right, check inside for a, all right, for a surprise tag. This is what they have been selling all this while, but making it looking attractive, very more attractive than what they used to do. All right, you see all these soft drinks, all these companies that produce soft drinks, they do it a lot. Right, they'll say buy this drink, check under the crown, and you will find the code, send it to so number, and confirm if you're a winner. All right, so that is the difference between these two. This is more of awareness, communicating the company's offer, but here is more of making that offer attractive. All right, and this requires buyers' participation. You know now, if you now buy, all right, if you buy one, all right, you definitely want to get two. It looks attractive, let me get two more. If I buy one, all right, participate. Or you buy a product, check under the crown, all right, you check under the crown, yes, Christmas sales, that's one of it too, thank you. All right, so buyers want to participate. I think there's this time too, I was handling a company's Instagram account. All right, so then we say if you patronize us, all right, if you patronize us 3 times in the year of December, all right, go to our Instagram page and take a picture of all these 3 transactions. All right, go to our Instagram page and post them. All right, you stand a chance of winning. All right, so somebody wants to quickly patronize you 3 different times, they need to take pictures. After the person has taken this picture, go to your Instagram page, paste it there, post it there, and tag you. So they are participating because you have given them an attractive offer. Okay, so we have that as that. So so on this note, I think on this note, we'll call it a wrap for today. I have okay now. Yes, participation. Okay. Just a moment. Now, okay, so let's talk about, when we are talking about this sales promotion, all right, when we are talking about sales promotion, all right, there are certain things we cannot overlook. All right, sales promotion, there are some certain things that we cannot overlook. All right, things like all right, certain things like personal selling. All right, that's personal selling. Okay, personal selling and publicity. Okay, see, in sales promotion, personal selling cannot be overemphasized. All right, personal selling cannot be overemphasized because this here means communicating firm's offer. All right, this is when a staff, all right, a sale staff, all right, propagates the offer of a company. All right, communicating the firm's offer to consumers. Communicate the firm's offer to consumers. All right, just like evangelism. All right, personal selling. All right, and publicity, on the other hand, this is use of mass media. All right, mass media, or what we call news release, any unpaid means, news releases or okay, news. All right, unpaid, any unpaid medium. All right, any unpaid through unpaid medium. All right, meaning that this strategy, the firm, all right, doesn't employ a paid medium. All right, just use mass media and maybe social media and the likes. All these things go in between. All right, sales promotion. Okay, so let me highlight this. So thank you very much, everyone. I believe we have been able to gain a thing or two in today's class. Please let's do our two. All right, take a picture of our notes and send them to our private to the WhatsApp group so that we can monitor our progress. All right, thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all subsequent tutorials. Bye bye.